everybody. Guess what? The first person who comes in is our former Botox virgin, Christian, who just did it on his crow's feet. Just like, when did you do it, Christian?
Halloween.
Halloween, yeah. So you can see, like, when he smiles, he is like so nice and smooth over here. So if you look at his face now, so male Botox is totally different than female Botox. You cannot start looking like a female. You know, females like their eyebrows a slightly a different way than men do. So if you look at him, he has he sleeps on this side most likely. So you would see, like, if you come closer, you would see that he has a line that comes up here that is like more pronounced than this side. And then also, if you take a look at him, he does not have any lines on top, and he has lines naturally on this side. And that is basically just Botox. When he gets this Botox, I have to be careful how I approach this forehead. So he's not going to get a lot of units. It's very little. So we are going to just make sure that he, looks himself. He will have like much less. I already gave him a slight bit of an eyebrow raise, and I want him to get a slight bit smoother over here without raising it unnecessarily up. Nice deep breath. I'm still doing a little bit on this side, and the reason is that I'm going to restrict some of his movements that he does on this side. Although you don't have much wrinkles on that side, but you don't want to be then now create wrinkles, you know, so you want to, this is more of prevention, and that is it. So hello.